In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed code in WordPress. If you're looking to customize your website by adding a YouTube video, a special script, or any kind of HTML snippet, you're in the right place. Let's dive into it step by step. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll find the main navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. We're focusing on either your pages or posts today, depending on where you want to embed your code. For our tutorial, I'll be selecting posts. Now, if you want to add the code to a specific post, find that post in your list. Once you've located it, click Edit to dive into the editing screen. As you navigate to the edit page of your post, you'll notice the editing tools on the upper part of the content block. Look for a small plus icon. This icon might be a bit hidden, so click around the content area if you have trouble spotting it. Once you click this icon, it will expand to show more options. Here, you'll want to focus on the search bar and type in Custom HTML. This action brings up the Custom HTML block. Once it appears, simply click to select it. This block is the magic tool that allows you to embed HTML code directly into your WordPress post or page. So, gather the HTML code you want to use. In our example, I'll be using some HTML code from YouTube to embed a video, but you can use whichever code you need. Now it's time to paste your HTML code into the custom HTML block that you just added. Double check to ensure that everything looks correct. If you're using an embed code from a source like YouTube, they often provide the full code snippet ready to be used, so you won't need to modify it. After pasting your code, click on the preview button. This action allows you to view how the embedded element will look in the context of your post or page. It's a great way to ensure that everything displays as expected before making any changes live. Once you're happy with how it looks, click the Save button to make sure your changes are recorded. After saving, I recommend having another look with the preview option to confirm that your code works perfectly within your post. If everything is in order, congratulations, you've successfully added HTML code to your WordPress site. So, there you have it. You now know how to embed code in WordPress. Whether it's a video or any other embedded HTML snippet, this method gives you the freedom and flexibility to enhance your WordPress site with custom elements. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.